Hello everyone, welcome back to chapter 1.3b. It is something a little bit different this time, so we're going to have to continue to go back and forth to the computer. So, the first problem we have is 1 over 22 plus negative 6 over 11. Okay, so first we need to find the least common denominator. The least common denominator is the number that both of these denominators will divide into. So that one for this problem is 22. So now we need to rewrite these fractions so they have a common denominator. This one we don't have to do anything to because it's already 1 over 22, so we can just write that one again as 1 over 22. And then we can write this one as 2 times 6 over 22. Because that's how many times it takes us to get to 22 from 11. So we just add 11 together twice to get that. And then this is going to equal 11 over 22, negative 11 over 22, which equals negative 1/2. Okay. On to the next problem. It's going to be the same for this problem. We're going to go 1 over 10 plus 1 over 7. Least common denominator here is 70. So what we need to do is multiply this first fraction by 7, multiply this second fraction by 10, that gives us two fractions with the same denominator. Now we can add these two fractions together to get 17 over 70. Now we have a third fraction here to add in, which is negative 2 over 5. Now we're gonna do 17 over 70 plus negative 2 times 14 over 70 equals 10 over 70 plus 28 over 70 plus negative 28 over 70 equals negative 11 over 70. The last problem I have is 5 over 33 plus 1 over 22. So the LCD, least common denominator, equals 66. So what I need to do, multiply this 5 times 2 plus 1 times 3 over 66 and 66 66 to get 10 over 66 plus 3 over 66 equals 13 over 66. This is the end of chapter 1.3, addition with real numbers. Thank you.